Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 KRX 1000. We've just installed the Dirt Warrior windshield on here. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the install and how the windshield works. Installation is going to be a breeze. You've got one strap clamp on the side. You've got another strap clamp up high. There's where the bolt goes through. Automotive glass, not going to scratch like a Lexan or polycarbonate, and you do have the ability to run a windshield wiper that's pre-drilled. What we like about the Dirt Warrior windshield is the amount of airflow that you're going to get in this windshield. These flaps, when it's cool in the morning, you can keep them shut. Begins to heat up during the day. You're going to come around on the inside, loosen up the knob on the inside, and then kick these open into any position that you would like. Obviously, the further open you have it, the more airflow you're going to have inside the cab. If you as the driver would like airflow on them, but the passenger does not, no problem. Just leave that passenger side shut and leave the driver's side open. This decal is available in many different colors. Sills up along the cage, very nice and tight. It's not going to rattle or anything on you. Very nice quality product made here in the US, here in Utah actually. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Just loosen that knob back up and you can shut that. And again, you can hold it open in any area that you prefer. And there you have it. The Dirt Warrior windshields are available for most major manufacturers and model machines, available here at Big Pine Sports. We do ship these out all over the United States as well. Have a great night, everybody.